Okay, so this one is indeed a special moment for us because we have been recognized for campus hiring. And what we started as a pilot program, TechnoRise, has now been awarded and recognized by one of the best and the most prestigious award in India. So what sets us apart is I think today a lot of companies are doing campus hiring, we are doing internship, we are doing full-time hiring. But one thing that sets us really apart is the experience that we are giving to our interns in terms of projects, in terms of mentorship, in terms of their learning experience. And ultimately, they've become our biggest cheerleader for our program. And I think this is a defining moment of our success. I'm sure that, we also have a lot to learn from others. But I think one scope of area or improvement that others can possibly imbibe for fresher hiring is innovation in terms of onboarding, innovation in terms of project allocation, innovation in terms of converting them into full-time employees, and also maybe the career trajectory the students aspire to be in post they join an organization should be relevant to their aspirations and not a very vanilla class approach. Right. Again, as I mentioned, this is something which is really close to my heart because we started as a pilot program this year, and getting an appreciation for this is just a testimony that HR should not limit, but they should experiment, they should reinvent the wheel every time. So yes, this gives us success, this gives us energy, and this gives us courage to experiment and never be feared.